Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will explore a nifty feature on your Mac that allows you to control when the menu bar is visible or hidden. It might seem like a minor thing, but understanding this can enhance your Mac experience. So, let's dive in. Before we get into the specifics, let us distinguish between desktop mode and full screen mode because it is crucial to know how they impact the menu bar. To grasp this, try out Mission Control by pressing Control and the up arrow simultaneously. Here, you will see your spaces. Desktop spaces, identified by the word desktop, and full screen spaces, named after the corresponding app. Sometimes, there are two apps indicating split view mode. For now, treat split view and full screen similarly. In Mission Control, you get an overview of your current setup. For instance, on my desktop space, there is a menu bar, but when I switch the full screen space using Control and the right arrow, the menu bar disappears. Don't worry, it is still there. Just move your pointer to the top of the screen and it will drop down. Move it away and it hides again. However, on the desktop space, the menu bar is always present, regardless of your pointer's location. To control when the menu bar appears, go to System Settings and navigate to Desktop and Dock. Scroll down to find the menu bar section. Here, you have 4 options for menu bar visibility. The menu bar is automatically hidden in both desktop and full screen modes. On desktop only, it means that the menu bar is hidden only in desktop spaces, not full screen spaces. Never means that menu bar is always visible, never hidden in either mode. For example, if we choose Always, you will notice the menu bar disappears from the desktop space and the full screen space. Switching to On Desktop Only reveals it on the desktop but keeps it hidden in full screen mode. And if you select Never, the menu bar remains visible in both desktop and full screen modes. The default option is Full Screen Only, where it is hidden in full screen mode but visible in desktop mode. Beyond using your pointer, you can activate the menu bar with keyboard shortcuts. In System Settings, head to Keyboard, then Keyboard Shortcuts, and select Keyboard on the left. Look for Move Focus to the menu bar, which is Ctrl F2 in this case. Ensure the function key setting is correct. If it is off, use the FN or globe key alongside F2. Now, in desktop mode, pressing Ctrl F2 activates the Apple menu. Use arrow keys to navigate and spacebar to select. In full screen mode, where the menu bar is hidden, Ctrl F2 still brings it up. Another shortcut is Shift Command and the question mark key, equivalent to Ctrl F2 but taking you to the Help menu. It also unveils the menu bar when hidden. Without using the mouse or trackpad, a second Shift Command and question mark will hide it again. In conclusion, take a moment to explore those menu bar settings in System Settings and choose what suits you best. If you are unsure, stick with the default option. It usually makes the most sense. Remember, full screen mode offers more screen real estate, while desktop mode retains the menu bar at the top. If you always want to see it, select Never, and if you prefer it hidden, choose Always. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that shed some light on how to tailor your Mac's menu bar experience to your preferences. Your Mac is a powerful tool, and understanding its various features can truly enhance your workflow and overall usability. Stay tuned for future videos about Mac, where we will continue to delve into the vast world of macOS, uncovering hidden gems and providing you with the knowledge to become Mac-powered user. Until next time, keep exploring and innovating with your Mac.